Okay, so this is what my hair looks like naturally. It's straight as a board. It has no wave to it or anything. So to start out, we're gonna grab a section, not too big, maybe like that big. We're gonna get our flat iron and we're gonna go up with it and make like a hump in your hair. That's what it's gonna look like if you were to let it down. Go up there, knocking stuff over. Anyway, you wanna start out by going up like that so it'll give you the lift you want at your roots. Okay, so we're gonna pick that piece up. Okay, so we've already went up with it. Now we're gonna take it out, switch the way you're gonna do it, and you're gonna go under with it. And then that's what that looks like. And every time you do it, you're gonna wanna go over, like see this little part right here? You're gonna wanna go over that, like just a hair, like right at the bottom to kind of smooth it out to where it's not like crinkled and square. So now we're gonna go over again. Whoop, that did that. Okay, and if that happens, no big deal. All you have to do is start up a little bit higher and just smooth it out. So that's that. And then at the end, I just kind of want my ends to be straight. So I just like barely go over them. So that's your first piece. We'll flip that over. Do our next piece. And you're gonna be doing every piece you do just like this. So it's pretty repetitive, but once you get used to it, you'll fly through it. So you'll go up at your roots, take it off, go down, and then over again, and then under. And I'm gonna straighten my end out just a little bit, like that. Go over, under, over, under. And this does not take me long to do at all. It's great. Over, under, over. And you're already done with your whole first section. That hump, that first one we did is kind of cray-cray. I'll go back over that just a little bit, kind of straighten it out. I don't want it to be too poofy. Much better. Okay, now we're done with that side. Took 5 minutes probably. We're gonna move on to this side. Now, once you start to get a little better at it, you won't have to necessarily take the flat iron off every time. So I'll show you what I mean. You can just kind of do this. You go up without taking it off. You go down, up, down, up. And you get the exact same effect. But that's kind of once you start getting more used to doing it, because at first it's probably a little easier to take it off. That way you can smooth out the bumps. But once you start getting good at it, you can fly through it that way. Okay, I'm gonna do my bangs next, and just like how I curl my hair any other way, I don't do my bangs a ton. I'll just leave it on there just for a second, just do it really quick to kind of give it a little bump, but I don't want them to be like super wavy like the rest of it. I just want it to flow. Like so. This song is such a like feel-good song. Okay, and to get the back, I mean, this is gonna be messy anyway, so you're not super worried about how it looks in the back. But I just pick it up like I do any of the other parts of it. Okay. I don't really take it off in the back. I mean, you might have to starting out, but it's just easier not to have to take it off when you're doing it in the back. That sounded so dirty when I just like reheard that in my brain. But you know what I mean. And then if I have some in the back too, I'll kind of like reach around like that, grab it. Because it doesn't act like, it doesn't have to be perfect, obviously. It's just beach waves. But you don't want like super straight pieces. And this holds in my hair for days. I don't know what the deal is with it or why. It holds better than other ways that I curl my hair, but this lasts in my hair for so long. That's why I like doing it, because I don't like to have to fix my hair every day. So that is literally it. It only took me probably 10 minutes to do my hair like this. It's amazingly fast, but it's something super easy to do. I would definitely consider this to be more beach waves rather than curls, which I love, obviously. Who doesn't want to have beach wave hair when you have board straight hair like me? But oh yeah, and before you guys leave, go down to the comment section below and comment on some things you would like me to do or some things you would like to see next, whether it be hair, makeup, it does not matter. Just let me know some ideas so I can get some videos up for y'all. But thank you for watching, and I will see y'all next time.